Welcome aboard Educational Passage's Miniboat program. Get ready to embark on a journey like no other. A unique, hands-on experience that has endless possibilities for learning and discovering our world ocean and connecting with each other. What starts as a kit of boat parts and supplies, a blank boat canvas, will become a unique story, like a message in a bottle, thanks to creativity, collaboration, and commitment. Crewmates will work together to build a miniboat, a specially designed, uncrewed sailboat that is 1.5 meters long. It is built by students of all ages, tracked by satellite, and launched out to sea to collect data. From there, the voyage will set sail as it hopefully travels the world, but you never know what will happen. Part of the learning adventure will be to use data and forecasts to make predictions as we all track the miniboat's journey online. How long will the miniboat travel? Where will it travel to? Will it land in another place and be recovered? The voyage could be hours, days, or even years. Wouldn't it be great to meet someone in a different country? Students will hopefully connect with people if and when it lands. We've had miniboats land in 35 countries so far. One miniboat named Lancer has even connected 5 countries since 2016. What would happen if the GPS stops working? Will your boat still find its way to another place? One miniboat named Rye Riptides stopped reporting for 4 months and then reported again from Norway and was recovered by a student there. Ultimately, the ocean will decide what happens, but there will be so much learning and discovery along the way, no matter what. We'll send you all the boat parts, supplies, tools, and workbooks you will need. We'll also set up a web page so you can track your boat's progress and share your work. You will share ideas, solve challenges, and become part of something bigger than you could ever imagine. Are you ready to join the adventure? Let's dive in!